Hello. So this video is about the Uniform 3D app. This is an iOS app. So I record small videos how to do some things. Yeah, this is about customize UI, how to save it. So okay. So here at the top you see here my profile. And when you press on the three dots, you can save profile as, save profile, and here's also a customize UI thing. So when you use this here, it's possible to move around the widgets. And so maybe I place this here and here and here. And I want this here at the top. And I want here my gallery, the overrides, and the evaluate. So this is my thing I want. And maybe I want this a little bit more here and the home button here. So you see here at the top, save to profile. So I press this. And now if you think this setting is saved, then you're wrong. Because you see here a small yellow dot. So this means you have to save something, and you have to press here again the three dots here and save profile again. So you have to save 2 times your profile. So when the yellow dot is there, you have to save again. So press save. Now the yellow dot is gone and you're happy you saved your settings. So you have to do it 2 times. So okay, that's it for this video. Okay, ciao.